Looks pretty cool with all the colors I have on it.
Hey, welcome to my channel. Well, check this out. This is the original Mavic Pro, and it's been replaced by the Mavic Pro Platinum. So I've had this since 2016. Yes, I put a nice little skin on it just to change the color. And on it, I also put the low noise props that come with the Mavic Pro Platinum. I've had this since 2016, and I've had these props since they first came out. And I've enjoyed flying this here original Mavic with this configuration. But guess what? Master Airscrew sent me these props for the original Mavic and for the Mavic Pro Platinum. What they are supposed to be is a higher quality, higher level props than DJI provides. So let's take a look inside. And the amazing thing too, look right here, they're stealth. They are meant to be low noise, and they're supposed to cause your drone to actually handle better. So that's all, that's a big claim. So let's see what's inside. So there's some instructions. We have a nice bag here that your props are inside. So let me just pull one out. And there, check it out. They're nice and glossy. This company, Master Airscrew, makes props for RC airplanes and other DJI drones and different company drones and FPV drones. So they've been around for quite some time. They know what they're doing. These are all guaranteed to be 100% balanced. The plastic is really thick and durable. It's not as flexible as the DJI ones. It's very hard plastic. And let me just show you if I take a prop off of my little Mavic here and compare them in size. So I have one of the DJI Low Noise props right here, and here's the Master Airscrew prop. And if I put them over each other, well, actually I'll put the smaller one. So yeah, so the props for the DJI are actually tinier than the Master Airscrew. These are a larger prop, diameter wise this way, I guess width wise, and a thicker plastic too. This plastic doesn't seem to be as thick as this. It's really well made, you can see right here. So I guess what I have to do then is, well, let me just put them on the Mavic to see how well they fit, and then we'll take it for a flight. Oh, and I should also mention they sent me a second pair, and these ones are black, but I think the orange ones look pretty cool. Right, so they snap in just as easy as the originals. So I have one on. Next thing to do is to take it out for a test flight. Oh, it's cold, cold, I tell you, it's cold. Bare hands out here. It is minus 13 degrees Celsius. That is like 8 degrees Fahrenheit. It's pretty darn cold. I've got the, what are these things called? These props, these really cool props from Master Airscrew. I think that's what they're called. I hope I didn't goof up the name. Anyways, here we go. We're going to take off and try them out. And this is going to be a good test because, like I said, it's minus 13 Celsius right now. Let's see how they fly. Don't freeze, Mavic. So, no problem taking off. Don't have any blades flying off into my eyes. There she is up there in the wind. Looks pretty good. Let's just bring it down over here, and I'll just walk around it. Just check it out, make sure everything's cool. Just moving around in the wind as it gets the GPS. Everything works on there. Let's take it for a quick flight because my hands are freezing here. Yes, I know there's such a thing called gloves, but I'm not using them at the moment. There we go. I can't see a thing. It's in the sun. I will say the props did not sound noisy, but I'm going to do a prop noise test and compare them against the low noise props indoors. Looks pretty cool with the orange though, because the orange is just like shining in the sky. Now, it's cold out here, so I can't really tell, if the Mavic is performing better than with the props from the actual, from DJI. Geez, my mouth is freezing now too. So there you can see me. Take it around. I don't have it in sport mode or anything. Let me just try it in normal mode, going through here. I'm gonna do a super quick sport mode. So let's put you in sport mode. Oh my God, my hands are so cold for this. I can't even push. I can't even feel the button. Sport mode. Are we in? Yes, there we go. I got the big warning. Okay, let's see how she goes in sport mode. Should be very responsive. Nice. And forward. Keep it high so I don't kill. Whoa, there's a tree there. All right. Well, it's flying like a banshee. Just as you would expect with sport mode. I'll bring it right over my head here. At the moment, I would say my fingers are pretty much close to frostbite, so I am gonna have to take this out of sport mode somehow. My frozen finger. Oh, I got it out, thank God. And bring it down over here for a landing. Looks pretty cool with all the colors I have on it.
Let's just plop it out here for a landing.
Alright, final thoughts on the Master Air Screw Stealth props. Well, first off, guys, change your name. Master Air Screw? That is an odd name, but anyways, the props are really cool. The name's not so cool, but somebody came up with that a long time ago because these guys have been in business for a while. These props are really good. And if you can see them up close, you know, you saw them in my video, but to the eye, when you look up close, they look like really high quality props. They are definitely not the cheap plastic props you get. There's a lot of thought that went into these props, and they work quite well. Are they quieter than the DJI Low Noise props? Well, I'll let you decide because you heard the recordings of both. To my ears, when I was outside, they sounded pretty quiet. In here, you can see there's a pitch difference, and I did use this here. Really, this is the gold standard for vlogging. This is the Rode, I can't remember what it's called, but it picks up all the frequencies for highs and lows. So it should really show if there's any difference in pitch between the two sets of props. They're both low noise, so they're not noisy at all. If I guess I compared them against something that was not low noise, then you'd hear a huge difference. And finally, for the claim that your drone will handle better, I couldn't tell. I was flying this around, it handled just as good as it always does. In sport mode, it handled fantastic, but I don't know if that was better than the other props, can't tell. It did move really fast, but that's all I could say. Also, these props come in orange, white, and black. So if you have a Mavic, white looks pretty cool. If you have a white Mavic with white props, of course it looks cool. Or you can put black props or the orange like I have here. They also sell these props for different DJI drones and other brands of drones, as well as FPV drones and, you know, whatnot, RC airplanes. So I'm going to put a link below to the website. You check it out. They are more expensive than the DJI props, but sometimes there's a sale on, so check if there's a sale and see if it's for you. So for now, I'll say if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.